hot, 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 hot. Whew. Hey, that was hot. It set out in the sun, which wasn't been that long. Anyway, well, from Cedartown, I heard. Oh, man, it was hot. Did I tell you that? Oh, welcome to Blueback North Channel. Dicking around in shed, making windmills. I keep saying, we're making wind chimes. Run that intro. Really, what we're doing is dicking around. China, it's hard coming up a project every Wednesday. I know we got a big project sitting out there and it's lost interest in it. Plus it costs too much money to do stuff. It needs a battery. I want to go ahead and buy one of them big $300 yellow top batteries to, hey, it's going to have to double bag it just to be safe in case one bag falls off. Alright. Ow. This wires draw blood. Anyway, I'm going to paint this. And we start something else. The heart's got to be red, don't it? I think so. I was so fast with windmills, I got me one. So this is going to be a windmill wind chime. Windmill wind chime. Say that 3 times. Windmill wind chime. Windmill chime chime. Windmill chime chime. So this is what I got. It's, they didn't have any more of them chickens like that was. That's the thing. You buy, get something, and everybody wants it. Hey, can you do me one? Well, no, I can't, because I can't find the chickens like that one, like the first one we did. So I found this one. This is a wind thingy, wind vine. So we're gonna use it, and yeah. Let me see something. Hello. Welcome back. Did your parents ever tell you he could tear up a steel ball with a rubber hammer? Well, I ain't got a rubber hammer. I got saws now. I got power tools. So I'm going to cut this off. See what it does. That's what I figured. It's a tube. Can I get... Oh, yeah. That turned. What is turning? Oh, it unscrews. Well, damn. Hmm. 16 inches. Excuse me. We're trying to figure something out here. Go in that one. Because that's 3/8. So we'll go in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It goes right in there good. Now I need I'm getting all this stuff and I don't even know what I'm going to do yet. That's just it. I'm building it and don't know how I'm building it. So first thing we're going to do is make a circle. Circle machine. Na. To the circle machine. I had you on time lapse. Hey, I got this. Do you anybody know who this could be? Who could I give this to? Mr. Know-It-All. I got two of them, so leave a comment. Who's Mr. Know-It-All? Circles we would do. This episode's brought to you by the letter O.
Oh, no. We keep rolling it till we can make a circle. It might be a small circle. We left the mailman. And he pulls the bulk out of it.
Let me see something. Okay, here we at. That circle is going to work because I'm going to add to it. I need to pick up these. The way it's going to work is like this. I made a piece. Put this before I step on it and roll my ankle. I don't know where these will fit. Good enough. Alright, here's what we got. We made a piece to put in here so it'll be flat, and then I can center this and make a rod that will go into, what did I do with it? This piece. So it'll screw in there, and then I need however much that what there is. So let me guess we get the welder out. Well, let's drill holes first. Well, let's not do that. Let's do this first. I'll figure something out. Alright, we about out of juice on this battery. I didn't charge it overnight or charge it enough. So we're gonna do some welding. Yep, welding. I don't know where you'd be safe at. Right there. So I gotta hold this thing up like so. And get it straight. Alright. That's in the way. Alright. Welding. Look, I am your father.
Try something different. Thing wants to hold up for some reason. Don't want to sit for it. So, I thought I was ready. Ready now. Ready Cooper. Ready whatever. Alright. That looks good to me. Tacky. It's tacky. Oh, I'm packing it. Oh, okay. Let's see it tacky. And it looks. Ooh. I welded that one. Welded to the table. Looks good to me.
What we have here, see, it's a, could be a D, I don't know. I did it this way so I could have more room to put the chicken in here like so. Like so. Alright. Let's work on something else now. Alright, we've about to run out of juice, so I got to talk real fast. But here I got it. It all just spins. This spins. So it's, you know, I just gotta put the things on it. And this way I can take this off and paint it. So let's do the windy thingies now. The chimes part. Well, you're just gonna have to stay tuned for next week's episode when you see it finished. Yeah. So go check out that video. Yeah, and that one. Hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you coming along on the adventure. I got 30 thumbs. 30 thumbs. Later.